cards, debit cards, club cards, cash, and more. Easy Touch Latch allows for quick access, and its accordion design makes getting your cards out easy.
It's everything I need and then some. It holds pictures and credit cards and my driver's license. It's great.
A Luma wallet is the perfect wallet for men and for women, and its compact size fits into any pocket or purse.
It's one touch. It pops open, and there before you are all your credit cards, your driver's license, your cash.
It's so practical. It keeps all my cards organized. Everything's very easy to get to.
The aluminum alloy case protects against spills, drops. Even a heavy truck is no match for a Luma wallet.
This is so durable. And suppose it got wet. It's not a problem. You get a leather wallet wet, it's a big problem.
Best of all, it protects your card's magnetic strips from damage and keeps cards with RFID